Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I'll show you how to change your language to English on the Duolingo app. To start, open the Duolingo app on your mobile phone. The issue many users face is finding the English option. You won't find it immediately, but don't worry, I've got you covered. The trick is to change the app's language to another language, and then you'll be able to select English. For example, if you switch to French, you'll see the option to learn English. Let me demonstrate. I'll switch to Dutch, and then I can select English. Clicking Continue will change the app's interface to Dutch, and I can learn English from Dutch. This works for any language. If you're Italian, for instance, you can select Italian and then learn English. That's it. You should now be able to select English in the Duolingo app. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.